How are you? Are you taking a special care about yourself? Yes, let me introduce myself. I am Sureka. Here we are with an interesting class in English, and it is a story, A Washerman's Donkey. Before the story, I have to ask you a few questions. Children, are you having a dog in your house? Yes? Okay, what the dog will do? It will guard your house from thieves. Yes? It will bark if any new person enter also. Isn't it, children? Yes. Then have you seen a donkey walking on a road? Yes. What it will do? It will walk and also it will carry some heavy loads. Children, how you will wash your clothes in your house? Yes, in a washing machine or else with the help of a maid. Isn't it? But in olden days there is a washerman, especially a washerman who will wash the clothes. He will take the clothes from us, then he will wash and return it back to us. Here is an interesting story about a washerman, a donkey and also a dog. So let us start with the story. Once upon a time there lived a washerman in a small village. He used to wash clothes of villagers and earn his livelihood. He had a donkey and a dog. The donkey carried a heavy loads of clothes for the washerman every day, and the dog guarded his house day and night. What he is telling, children? There is a washerman in a small village. What he is doing in that village? He used to wash the clothes of villagers and earn his livelihood. Okay. He had a donkey and a dog. The donkey carried heavy loads. What the donkey is doing for him? It is carrying heavy loads. What is that loads? That is the loads of clothes. And the dog is guarding his house day and night. What's the duty of a dog? To guard the house of a washerman day and night. This went on for many years. As years rolled by, the dog grew old. The washerman thought the dog was of no use because he was no alert and active as he was in the past. He started neglecting the dog. What happened, children, here? After many years, the dog grew old. The dog became old. The washerman thought dog was of no use. Why? Because he thought that dog is of no use. Because it is not alert and active as before in the past. So he started neglecting the dog. What he is doing? He is neglecting the dog. He did not give the enough food to eat. The dog realized that his master was not taking care of him and was very happy. What he is doing? How he is neglecting? He is not at all giving at least enough food for the dog. So the dog realized. Then the dog knew that the master was not taking proper care about him, and it was very unhappy. One night, as usual, the washerman, the dog and the donkey were sleeping. There was a creaking noise. The donkey opened his eyes and saw a thief trying to enter the house through the window. What happened, children? One night, as usual, they are sleeping and there was a creaking noise. What happened? There is a creaking noise. What is creaking? Creaking means a harsh and a high-pitched sound. The donkey opened his eyes and saw a thief entering the house through the window. What happened? The donkey opened the eyes and saw a thief entering the house through the window. The dog saw that too, but kept quiet. He pretending sleeping. The donkey thought that he was the responsibility of a dog to guard the house of the master. What happened? The dog also saw that, but kept quiet. He is pretending sleeping. What the dog is doing? It is pretending, that is acting like that it is sleeping. So he went to the dog and whispered into his ear, "Wake up, friend, wake up. Look, a thief is trying to burgle our master's house." "Yes, I know," the dog replied. The donkey went to the dog and whispered in his ear. What he whispered? "Wake up, friend, wake up. Look, a thief is trying to burgle our master's house." What the donkey is telling the dog? To wake up. Why? Because a thief is trying to burgle his master's house. Then what the dog replied? "Yes, I know." What the dog is telling? That he knows. "Why are you worried?" And what the dog is asking the donkey? "Why are you worried? Go and sleep." But the donkey didn't listen to the dog. It went on. You are supposed to bark when strangers come. He is a thief. You ought to bark and scare him away. The dog angrily said, It is none of your business to remind me of my duty. My master doesn't take care of me these days. He doesn't give me enough food to eat. Why should I worry about him? Let the thief take away the master's things. What the dog is telling? Why are you worried? Go and sleep. It is insisting to sleep. But the donkey didn't listen to the dog. What the donkey is doing? It is not listening to the dog's words. It went on. You are supposed to bark. What he is telling to the dog? You are supposed to bark when strangers come. He is a thief. You ought to bark and scare him away. The dog angrily said, It is none of your business to remind me of my duty. Our master doesn't take care of me these days. He doesn't give me enough food to eat. Why should I worry about him? Let the thief take away the master's things. What the dog is telling angrily, It is none of your business to remind me my duty. Our master doesn't take care of me these days. What the dog is telling, our master doesn't take care of him these days. The donkey was very loyal to the master. He felt very sad that the dog was not doing his duty. At the same time, he did not want his master's house to be burgled. So he said to himself, If the donkey doesn't wake up the master, I'll wake him up. He started braying. What the donkey is doing? The donkey is very loyal, that is very kind to his master. He felt very sad that the dog was not doing his duty. What the donkey is feeling, it is very sad. Why? Because the dog is not doing his duty properly. At the same time, he did not want his master's house to be burgled. So he said himself, the donkey is talking himself and thought, if the dog doesn't wake up the master, if the dog doesn't do his duty properly, I'll wake up him. Then he started braying. So now the dog is not barking and waking up the master. So now a donkey is doing his duty by braying. The washerman heard the donkey braying. He got up and was very angry because the donkey disturbed his sleep. He walked angrily towards the donkey and started beating him with a stick. What happened to the washerman now? He heard the sound of braying. He got up and was very angry. He got up, but he is very angry. Why? Because the donkey disturbed the sleep. He walked angrily towards the donkey and started beating with stick. What the washerman is doing? He walked up towards the donkey and started beating the donkey with a stick. The donkey died instantly. The next morning, the washerman saw the doors was open and many of his belongings were missing. What happened to the donkey? As soon as the master started beating the donkey with a stick so angrily as he thought that it disturbed his sleep, then the donkey died instantly. The next morning, the washerman saw. What he observed the next morning? He saw all the doors was open and his belongings were missing. What he observed? That his belongings are missing. He noticed that his house was burgled and also realized why the donkey had brayed at midnight. Then he noticed that his house is burgled. That is theft. Burgled means theft. And he also realized that why the donkey brayed at the midnight himself. But it was too late. Later he understood why the donkey had not barked. He said to himself, the dog is old now, but it served me for so many years. It's my duty to take care of dog in his old age. What the washerman understood, he was very angry himself. Why? Because he noticed that his house was burgled and also thought why the donkey has brayed at late night. But it is too late, children, because the donkey died. But he also realized the dog is old, but still it had served me for many years. It had served him for many years. So it is his duty to take care of the dog in this old age. He realized that he has to take care of the dog also. Moral of the story is, Each one should do their own work. Isn't it, children?